Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title, we have another synthetic wig install from Gorgius. If you guys would like to see how I got this install from start to finish, because you guys do not want to miss it, just stay tuned and keep watching, because this wig, y'all, was so fire. Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alana. I would love y'all to hit that subscribe button down below so you guys can become a part of the family. And if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. Today's wig sponsor is Gorgius, so thank you to Gorgius for sponsoring another video. It's a synthetic wig install. This is not a human hair, y'all. It may look human hair, but it is synthetic. It's the wig that we're installing, and as y'all can see, it's giving. Okay, like look at these curls, nice and flowy, real soft, real smooth, like synthetic wear. Like this is synthetic. I'm going to be using a little bit of my Got To Be Glue products in today's video just to get this wig real slick, real sleek, real shiny, real smooth, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna be using my hot comb. I'm probably gonna have to use it on like one of the lowest settings because I don't want to burn the hair. It's the bonnet for me. It's giving very much flat. Let's get on into the install. So this is what the inside of the cap is giving. So I'm just gonna use my lace tint spray, Ebon tinted lace spray, the one that looks like this, and I'm just gonna spray this all on the inside. And I think I am still gonna go in with like a powdered makeup as well, just to make sure that it matches my skin. Just sprayed the inside of the lace. So now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder and just put that on top. Alright y'all, so now we're gonna cut this lace off of the wig. So first I'm just gonna pin back some of this hair because it's getting in my face. Pin all this back. I was gonna cut out the ear tabs, but it's like not much to really cut off from there. So I don't think I have to cut off the ear tabs. So I'm just gonna cut off the lace, but I'm gonna do it like section by section. I think for this install, I'm going to use my Got To Be Glued right here. And I haven't used this, y'all, in so long. So I kind of like, I don't know. I just wanted to use it in today's video. I feel like it would give me a better hold with the wig overall. I'm just going to apply this all around the perimeter of my head and use this to apply our wig. look at this wig. Like, does this even look like a synthetic wig? Not at all, y'all. Look at this. It is so fire. It's actually giving very much salon blowout. I love it. Okay, you guys, so that was everything for this install. I thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys would like to purchase this wig, do not forget to check my description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.